My version of Pancit Bato Guisado. This is a popular made of bicol. A bicol ba? Or bicol. Pancit Bato from bicol, made of bicol. So this is a yummy pancit bato. So let mga kalabs, you can try this to cook in your house. So this is it. So very nice and very presentable. A yummy pancit bato. Hi mga kalalabs ko! Good morning everyone! So ayan mga lalabs, for today's vlog, I will do cooking. Ano lutoy natin, mother?
Pancit Bato.
Pancit Bato. So keep on watching mga kalalabs.
Travel, cooking, mukbang, gardening.
So, ayan mga kalabs, ang ating mga ingredients. So, I have a garlic, onion, tomato, and the spring onion for sprinkling. And the vegetable, I have sayote, baku beans, and carrots. Mix. I will do the mix. And then, I have repolyo, a pork, a little bit of pork. I can't buy the fish ball, so I buy a squid ball. This is a squid ball. Yes, and then this is a kikiam. I put, and of course, mga kalabs, the main menu is this is Pancit Bato. The Claro Solar Dry Special Pancit Bato. So, ayan mga kalalabs, I forgot to say thank you sa this giving me this Pancit Bato. So thank you for giving me this. So I will try to cook this, my own version of special Pancit Bato Guisado. So keep on watching mga kalalabs. This is my rice. I already cooked the rice, you see? Rice with kamote, potatoes with kamote. Matamis ba? So that's it for Pancit Bato rice with kamote. And this is Pancit Bato. So the fire is hot. The fire is hot. The fry pan is hot, so you can put a little bit of oil. Then you do this. So a little bit hot. So you can put the garlic. Let her. So the garlic is brown a little bit, so you can add this onion and tomato. So like that. Let her make it brown a little bit. So now ready the tomato and the sibuyas and also the garlic. So you can put the meat, pork, because the meat is a little browning. You need to make little browning the meat. Okay. So you can mix good. Okay. To let her make it brown, the meat, you first put cover. Okay. So, it become brown the meat. So you can add the squid ball and also the kikiam. So let her cook a little bit. So we will go over. So for now, the squid ball and also the kikiam is become brown a little bit. So you can put the vegetable. So you can mix. So cover. Later, you can cook a little bit the vegetable and then you can put the for taste. Okay. So the vegetable is okay. You can add the condiments. You can put the black pepper. You can add a little bit salt. Okay, a little bit because later you can taste the little bit salt because you can put the soy sauce. If you put too much salt, your pancit bato is become sick. So okay, add 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cup of soy sauce. Cup of soy sauce, hindi cup ng tasa. Then you can add the seasoning, little bit seasoning for tasting. Then you can add a little bit water. Okay, you can add the water until the water is here over in the vegetable. A little bit. Okay, enough like that. You can add the water, mga kalalabs. You can add the over in the vegetable. Okay, so you can mix. Okay, like that. Enough like that, and then let her boil. So you can close. So here they are, mga kalalabs. So while waiting until the vegetable is okay and become boiling the food, the cook that there, I will do. We will do my mother shout out. Ayan. So, big love shout out to all team Damayan. So, ayan. Mother, who can shout out?
Pinton, Marso Kense, Ayu,
TV.
Cornel Wells,
And all team Damayan.
Damayan.
Ayan. Say hi, mother. Hi. Ano ba? Yan. Yan ang aking mudra. Ayan. So, ayan. Big love shout out all team. Hi, lalabs. Hi, lalabs. I'm Lola Levy. And hello to Mother Sarah. And all Indonesian. Sayan. Hello, everyone. So, ayan. Uncle Richard. Hello. So, here they are, boiling. So, you can add the repolyo. Then you can mix it. So this is it, a little ball. So you can add pancit bato. Maybe I put only one for this one. So you can mix. So taran, mga kalalabs! The pancit is ready to serve. See? So yummy. So we'll mix. So this is it, mga kalab squad, done cooking. See, so yummy. So you can add a spring onion. See? That's it, mga kalalabs. Done cooking. This is my version of Pancit Bato Guisado. So, yan, maglaway kayo. Easy. Ayan, mga kalalabs ko. Thanks for watching, mga kalalabs. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Lovely Like Vlogs. And don't forget to touch the bell para ma-notify kayo sa aking new upload videos. So, thanks for watching, mga kalalabs. Bye-bye. See you next, mga kalalabs. Annyeong.